ear, elbow, arm, cheek, eye, eyebrows, fingers,
Ear is used to hear. We can hear soft and loud sound with our ears. Eye is used to see. We can see colors, shapes, size with our eyes. Hand is used for writing, clapping, eating, playing, drawing. Mouth is used to chew and bite. Nose is used to smell and breathe. We can smell good and bad. Leg is used for walking, running, cycling, jumping, dancing. Tongue is used for taste. With use of tongue, we can taste sweet, spicy, salty, bitter. With use of skin, we can feel cold, hot, soft, hard, blunt, and sharp.